Hello friends, in a previous lecture we have seen a different type or crystal structure. What is crystal structure? Suppose we have to make one product or one material. It is a combination of different microstructure of that particular material. Okay, the combination and repeating patterns of small atoms is called as crystal structure. And what is crystal lattice? When we are made a crystal structure, the small pattern of that crystal is known as crystal lattice. These two definition we are seen in a previous lecture in a PPT, power plant presentation. Now we are going to learn a new topic of types of crystal lattice. We already know what is crystal lattice. It is a small pattern, and with the help of that small pattern we are made a one crystal structure. Okay, now see on a blackboard, there are four types of crystal structure or crystal lattice. The first one is simple cubic crystal structure, second one is body center cubic structure, third one is face center cubic structure, and fourth one is a hexagonal close packed crystal structure. What is the difference between these four crystal lattice are? The first we have learned and seen the diagram, the simple cubic crystal structure. In a simple cubic crystal structure, suppose we are consider a one crystal structure. This is one cube, and with the help of cube we are learn what is simple cubic crystal structure. Which part we called as a simple cubic crystal structure? The one material which are made with the help of small atoms. Suppose we are considering this chalk. This chalk is made with the help of small molecules or atoms, and combination of more atoms the chalk is made. Similarly, the crystal structure are made by different atoms, and in a simple cubic crystal the number of atoms are 8 which are present at the corner of crystal structure. See, there are 8 atoms which are placed at the corner of crystal structure, and that is known as simple cubic crystal structure. See here, atom at corner is equal to 8. Atom at corner at 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 atoms which are placed at the corner of crystal structure is known as simple cubic crystal structure. Now in the second type of crystal lattice is the body center cubic structure. It is we are taking a similar example that we are learn in a simple cubic structure is a one cube. But what is the basic difference between simple cubic structure and body cubic crystal structure are? There are 8 atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are placed at corner, and only one atom which are placed at the center of body, and that is known as body center cubic structure. What is basic difference? In a simple cubic structure there are 8 atoms are placed at the corner of crystal structure, and in a body center cubic structure there are 8 atoms present or placed at the corner of crystal structure, and there are only one atom which are placed at the body of crystal structure, that is known as body center cubic structure. Similarly, atoms at first corner is equal to 8 and at center is equal to 1. Okay. Now the third and very important crystal types of lattice structure is a face center cubic structure. Suppose we are taking the example of this rod. It is a cubical or rectangular. It has a 8 corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is known as simple cubic crystal structure. Similarly, we are taking the same example of this model. There are 8 atoms at the corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and there is one atom which are placed at the body of or center of this crystal structure is known as body center cubic structure. Now the third part is a face center cubic structure. It is very simple. Similarly, in a cube there are 8 atoms which are placed at the corner of cube or crystal structure, and there are 6 atoms which are placed at the face of that particular cube is known as face center cubic structure. Okay, we are taking the example of our cube. We are playing with that cube. It has 8 corners and there are 6 faces of that cube. Top side, bottom side, right side, left side. Okay, there are 6 planes of this face center cubic structure and is known as face center cubic structure. See, there are 8 atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 atoms which are placed 8 atoms placed at the corner of cube, and there are 6 atoms which are placed at the faces of each plane is known as face center cubic structure. And we are seeing here corner is equal to 8 atoms and faces is equal to 6 atoms is known as face center cubic structure. Now we are moving a last types of crystal structure or crystal lattice. Okay, crystal structure or in bracket lattice. The last type of crystal lattice is hexagonal close packed crystal structure. What is the difference between these 3 types and this hexagonal close packed cubic structure is there are 12 atoms which are placed at the corner of crystal structure. First, there are 2 atoms which are placed at the top surface and bottom surface of this crystal structure, and there are 3 atoms which are placed at the rhombus point of this crystal structure is known as hexagonal close packed structure. See, we are seeing there are 12 atoms at the corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 atoms which are placed at the corner of crystal structure, and then after there are 2 atoms which are placed at the top and bottom surface of this crystal structure. This is the one of the 1 and this is the 2. The 2 atoms which are placed at the top surface and bottom surface, and remaining 3 atoms which are placed at the rhombus point of this hexagonal close packed crystal structure is known as hexagonal close packed crystal structure. Okay, very simple phenomenon in this crystal lattice are, why we are learn this all the 4 types of crystal lattice? Because each crystal lattice, types of crystal lattice, we are considering this simple cubic structure, face center cubic structure, body center cubic structure, face center cubic structure and hexagonal close packed cubic structure are it has a different specification. All the example of these 4 types are very different. The application of these 4 crystal lattice are also different. The simple cubic structure are used for particular application, body center cubic structure are also used for particular application, face center cubic structure is also used for particular application, and last hexagonal close packed cubic structure are also used for that particular application. These are the all 4 types of crystal lattice.